Want to make some extra cash online? Whether you're looking to supplement your income or just want some extra spending money, TimeBucks has got you covered. TimeBucks is a great way to do it. It's a platform designed to make earning money online both fun and easy. TimeBucks is a website that pays you for doing simple tasks. These tasks are varied and can fit into any schedule. You can earn money by taking surveys, which are quick and easy to complete, watching videos, which can be entertaining and informative, and more. There are so many ways to earn. It's easy to use and anyone can join. The platform is user-friendly and designed for everyone. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for some extra income, TimeBucks is a great option. It fits into any lifestyle. TimeBucks is a legitimate way to make money online. You can trust it to provide real opportunities. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Every little bit helps. So what are you waiting for? The sooner you start, the sooner you can start earning. Sign up for TimeBucks today and start earning. It's quick, easy, and you'll be glad you did. Signing up for TimeBucks is quick and easy. Just go to the TimeBucks website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide some basic information, like your name and email address. Once you've created an account, you can start earning money right away. It's that simple. TimeBucks is available worldwide, so you can earn money from anywhere in the world. There are no special requirements to join. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for TimeBucks today and start earning. TimeBucks offers a variety of ways to earn money. You can choose the tasks that you enjoy the most. Here are a few of the most popular ways to earn surveys. Share your opinion on products and services and get paid for it. Watching videos. Earn money by watching short videos. Completing offers. Get paid for trying out new products and services. Referring friends. Earn a commission for every friend that you refer to. TimeBucks. These are just a few of the many ways to earn money on TimeBucks. New earning opportunities are added all the time, so there's always something new to try. Section 4. Surveys, sharing your opinion for cash. Taking surveys is one of the easiest and most popular ways to earn money on TimeBucks. It's a simple process that anyone can do from the comfort of their own home. Companies are always looking for feedback on their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your opinion. Your insights help them improve and innovate. TimeBucks partners with a variety of market research companies to provide you with a wide range of surveys to choose from. This means you can always find something that matches your interests. You can select surveys that interest you and that fit your demographic. This ensures that your feedback is relevant and valuable to the companies seeking it. Each survey takes about 10 to 15 minutes to complete, and you'll earn a few cents to a few dollars per survey. The amount you earn depends on the length and complexity of the survey. The more surveys you take, the more money you can earn. It's a great way to make some extra cash in your spare time. Plus, it's rewarding to know that your opinions are making a difference. Section 5. Watching videos, get paid to watch. Do you enjoy watching videos online? If so, you can get paid to do it with TimeBucks. TimeBucks partners with a variety of advertisers to provide you with a wide range of videos to choose from. You can watch videos on a variety of topics, including entertainment, news, and technology. Each video is typically a few minutes long, and you'll earn a few cents per video. It's a great way to earn some extra cash while you're relaxing at home. Section 6. Tips for success. Make the most of TimeBucks. This platform offers numerous ways to earn money online, and with the right approach, you can significantly boost your earnings. Here are a few tips to help you maximize your earnings with TimeBucks. First, complete your profile thoroughly. The more detailed and accurate information you provide in your profile, the more surveys and offers you'll qualify for. This increases your chances of earning more. Check for new tasks regularly. Make it a habit to log in daily. New earning opportunities are added all the time, and staying updated ensures you don't miss out on any potential earnings. So be sure to check back often. Another great way to boost your earnings is to refer your friends. Earn a commission for every friend that you refer to TimeBucks. The more friends you refer, the more you can earn. Be patient. It takes time to build up your earnings. Consistency is key. Don't expect to get rich quick. Instead, focus on steady, incremental gains. TimeBucks is a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. By following these tips and staying dedicated, you can make the most of your time on the platform and maximize your earnings. Good luck. Remember, every little bit adds up over time.